Hello, my name is Rebecca and this is Julian, and today we're going to show you just how easy it is to switch your data sources with GL Connect.
Thank you, Rebecca. And here we can see we then have the source switcher, and currently we have EBS, and also we have the Oracle Cloud. In the future, we'll have NetSuite and Sage as sources, and we're adding those sources all the time. But here, when we're then set to EBS, you'll then see that we then have the EBS responsibilities. If I use this source switcher to then switch to the Oracle Cloud, you'll see that the whole ribbon then changes, and we then have all of the roles that we then have for the Oracle Cloud, and then we then also have the corresponding ledgers. And I can then come in, I can then just refresh my numbers from the Oracle Cloud. So it allows me to then see my cloud data against my Oracle e-business data.
Nice, and it's just that simple to switch back and forth. That is awesome. I love that.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a very useful feature.
Perfect. All right, Julian, thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Thanks, Rebecca.